Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can get an stamina bar like this that when it finishes to load it will make you start walking slowly, but when it's charged you will walk very fast. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the link I'm going to send you on the description that will bring you to this website that says Sprint with the Stamina System PC Mobile Xbox, and you press try in Studio. So when you do that, the first thing you have to do in the Roblox Studio is go to the toolbox and press this My Models option, and you will get this Sprint with the Stamina. So you insert this on your game and you will be able to see that here you have two options that say mobile button and sprint key. So you select both of them and you have to move them to a starter key. As you can see, I already have it on a starter key, so I'm going to delete them. But when you do that, you will be able to play with stamina, and it also works on phone, so this is pretty cool. So if this video helped you, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.